Good evening, everyone, and welcome to our class for today. Okay, like we said in the last class, we've done addition and subtraction of polynomials. So today we want to look at multiplication of polynomials. Now, assuming you have something like a plus b multiplying another a plus b. Now, to multiply this polynomial, use the first term to multiply this. Still use that first term to multiply this second one. And then come back, use this one to multiply this, and use this one to multiply this. You get it? Now let's do it. This now is equal to, I said you use the first one, a times a is what? A squared. Now that same a times b, of course this is plus ab. Now come over to the second one. B times a is plus ab still, and then b times b is plus b squared. And this is still equal to a squared ab plus ab, that's plus 2ab now plus b squared. Now let's note this equation, right? Now what if you have something like a minus b into a plus b? Now let's multiply this one. This is equal to, still use a times a, that is a squared. Now a plus a times plus b, that is plus ab. Now minus b times plus a, that is minus ab. Remember, minus times plus is minus. I think I've done it before here. Now that same minus b times plus b is minus b squared. So we have, this is equal to a squared plus a minus plus ab minus ab. That one is gone. So I left with minus b squared. Now you note this one too. So of course you know what this one is. This that one we call difference of 2 squared. Now what if you have something like a minus b all squared? Yeah, this is something as a minus b into a minus what? B. And now let's multiply. A times a is a squared. Now plus a, plus times minus is minus. A times b is ab. Then we come to the second one. Minus b times plus a is still minus ab. Then minus times minus is plus. B times b is what? B squared. And this is equal to a squared minus ab minus another ab, that is minus 2ab. Minus 2ab, then plus b what? Squared. Note this equation. Yeah. Now, assuming we have a plus b to the power 3. This is the same thing as a plus b into a plus b what? Squared. Right? Yes. And this is the same thing as a plus b into, at least we've gotten a plus b squared. This is a plus b squared. A plus b multiplied by another a plus b. That is a plus b squared. So we've gotten it to be this. So it's just like a plus b multiplying this one. This one already is this. So it is a squared plus 2ab plus b what? Squared. Now let's open. Now a times a squared, we have a cube, and that same a times times 2ab, that is 2a squared b plus 2a squared b. Now that's an a times b squared, that is plus ab squared. Now we move to the second one. B times a squared, that is plus a squared b, and b times 2ab, that is 2ab squared plus 2ab what squared, and then b times b squared, that is plus b cubed, b to the power 3. And this is the same thing as a cubed. Now we collect like terms. We have 2a squared b plus a squared b. So this is plus 2a squared b plus another a squared b, then plus ab squared, ab squared plus 2ab squared, then plus b to the power 3. So we've collected like terms. So we have a cubed plus 2a squared b plus another a squared b, that is 3a squared b. Now plus ab squared plus 2ab squared, that is 3ab squared. Now plus the last one plus what? B cubed, right? So you note this equation also. This is the fourth one. Now, what of if it is this one? A minus b what? All cubed. And of course, this is the same thing as a minus b into a minus b what? Squared. And this is a minus b into, what did we get as a minus b squared? This one we did where we did the a minus b squared, and we got it as this, which is a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. A squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, let's multiply. A, of course, this is plus a squared. A times a squared, that is a what? Cube. Then that's an a times minus 2ab, that is minus 2a squared b. But this is a times this one, that is 2a squared b. Now that's a multiplied by b squared, that is plus ab what? Squared. That's for a. Now let's move to the second one. Remember, this minus is for b. So anything you are multiplying here, you are also multiplying it with this minus. Now minus b multiplied by a squared gives us minus a squared b. Now that's a minus b multiplied by minus 2ab. It will give us, that is plus 2ab what? Squared. Minus b times plus b squared, that is minus b what? Cube. And this is equal to a cube. Now we have minus 2a squared b and the minus a squared b will be together. That is minus 2a squared b minus another a squared b plus ab squared, then plus another 2ab squared, and then minus b cubed. And now this will give us a cube. Now minus 2a squared b minus another a squared b, this is just like 2 of a squared b plus another a squared b, but they have minus. So minus this one, that is minus 3a squared b. Then AB squared plus 2AB squared. That is plus 3AB squared. And then minus B cubed. And note this as another equation 5. Okay, now what of if it is A plus B all to the power of 4? So this is the same thing as A plus B into A plus B to the power of 3, right? Right. And this is equal to A plus B into, what do we get as A plus B squared? A plus B cubed. This is A plus B cubed, and we got this as A plus B what? Cubed. So this one multiplied by A cubed plus 3A squared B plus 3A B squared plus B 3. So this is the one we are to open now. And this is equal to, now we start with A times A cubed. That is A to the power of 4. Now that A times 3A squared B will give us plus 3A cubed B. And now that A still times 3AB squared give us plus 3A squared B squared. And now that A times B cubed, that is plus AB cubed. Now this is for A. Now let's go over to B. B times A cubed equals plus A cubed B. Now B times 3A squared B. This B times 3A squared B will give us 3A squared B squared. Now that same B times 3A B squared will give us, that is plus 3A B what? Cube. And now that B times B cube, that is plus B to the power of 4. Now time to collect like terms. We have A to the power of 4 plus, let's try this one, 3A cube B. Now we see if we have another A cube B. This is not it. Okay, we have another A cube B. So this is plus A cube B. Now A squared B squared plus 3A squared B squared. Now let's see if we have another A squared B squared. Okay, this is it. Plus another 3A squared B squared. Then plus, we have AB cubed. AB cubed plus 3AB what? Cubed. Then plus B to the power of 4. And this is equal to A4, right? Now 3A squared B plus 3A cubed B plus A cubed B, that is plus 4A cubed B. Now coming to this one, 3A squared B squared plus another 3A squared B squared, that is plus 6A squared B what? Squared. Now AB cubed plus 3AB cubed, that is plus 4AB what? Cubed. Now plus what? B to the power of 4. And let's denote this equation as equation what? Okay, equation VI, right? by VI. Now, the last one, we will do it. I will leave it for you. A minus B to the power of 4, and you should get it. And you should what? You should get it. Now, let's bring all these equations together. First, we have that number one, A plus B squared is equal to A squared plus 2AB plus B what? Squared. That is one. Now, if we have number two, A minus B into A plus B, and this will give us A squared minus what? B squared. And if you remember, this is what we call difference of two squares. When we were dealing with solve, we touched something like this. If two different denominators had first, they are the same, but the difference is the sign in between. You just take this as their product, because this is what you will get. Instead of going through to check, to calculate, at the end you still get this. And this is what we are trying to establish, so that if you're solving anything and you see something like this, you've already known what we get if you are to expand it. So then number three is, if you have A minus B all squared, then you will know that we get at the end, you get A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. A squared minus 2AB plus B squared. Then number four, if you have A plus B cubed, A plus B all cubed, and this is equal to, if you are to expand, you will get A cubed plus 3A squared B, A squared B plus 3AB squared, then plus B to the power of 3. B to the power of 3. That's the fourth one. Then number 5. 5 is A minus B to the power of 3. A minus B to the power of 3. If you are to expand it, you will get A to the power 3 minus 3A squared B plus 3AB squared, then minus B what? Cube. So number 6, if you have something like A plus B to the power of 4, if you are to expand it, you will get this, which is A to the power of 4 plus 4A to the power 3B plus 6A squared B squared plus 4AB cubed, then plus what? B to the power of 4. Now, I purposely wanted to establish all this. When we are dealing with factorization, is it factorization? Sometimes when we are solving, we will meet something like these things, and then we'll be like, should we just expand? Because of course, if you have to expand, it will take time. Imagine you are in the midst of solving something else and you met something like this, and then you are like, you want to expand it so that you will get something like, so that it will be easier. But then if it is that you know it, like you know what we get if you expand this, of course it will be easier. You just pick that immediately. So I just purposely decided to establish this. So of course from there you've learned how to multiply polynomials. You just take the first term, multiply the the one in the ones in the other bracket. After then you come back for the second term, use it and multiply. So if you are to have all this, and whenever you see this thing, you've already known what you get if you are to expand. And when you see this one also, this, and then four. And then the last one, I said you should solve it yourself. You will get something like this, but the difference is that the signs will change. Some of them, I think somewhere here, maybe, and I think here and here, but I'm not too certain. But the sign will change. So go and do this one on your own. So in the next class, I will try. If I go, I will try and see if I can figure out how you can learn this thing easily. Like once you see it, you've known what you get when you expand it. Sometimes it mustn't be A and B. It might just be like, let me say, ordinary number. Let me say 2x plus y multiplying A plus B. Or I might be say x plus y multiplying another p plus q. Something like this. I just wanted to establish this. That was why I decided to use this A and B. So thank you for watching, and thank you for following, because I know you followed already. And if you've not subscribed to our YouTube channel, go and subscribe now. You got to go. You're not subscribed. So thank you. And God bless you always.